quality of air, water, and land, many things that are useful to people produce pollution. So, environmental pollution is the major source of problems in human health and the sustainable development and society and economy in the world. So, in the fifth, the creating healthy environment. Instead of endangering the health of worker builders and occupants, construction must enhance leisure, living, and the working environment. Around 40% of total energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions are directly due to the construction and operations of buildings. The best of the of to reduce this impact is the use of green buildings. And six, the last is the process management. Too many aspirations for a project won't give sustainable construction. Hence, identification of appropriate targets, benchmark and tools along with their proper management will give sustainability and construction. So,
And
sustainable
process
building
management, we
management
should
is not
have a
only
proper
about
management
reducing
to make
environment
our
impacts,
project have a
but
better
also
result.
about creating healthy, comfortable, and productive spaces for occupants and visitors.
Next is the different steps to achieve sustainable development in civil engineering.
Perform life cycle assessment from planning to reuse. Life cycle assessment or LCE involves evaluating the environmental impact of a product, process, or service throughout its entire life cycle, from raw material extraction and production to use and disposal or use. This comprehensive assessment helps identify areas where improvements can be made to minimize environmental footprint. Step 2. Use resources wisely. This step emphasizes the efficient use of resources. It involves practices such as reducing waste, recycling materials, and optimizing energy consumption. By adopting sustainable resource management, and organizations can contribute to environmental conservation and often realize cost savings. Go. Step 3. Plan for resiliency. Planning for resiliency involves anticipating and preparing for potential challenges or disruptions. This could include factors like climate change, economic shifts, or unforeseen events. By building in flexibility and adaptability, systems and processes can better endure and recover from disturbances. Step 4. Validate application of principle. After establishing principles for sustainability and responsible management, it's crucial to validate their application. This may involve ongoing assessments, audits, or performance monitoring to ensure that the intended practices are consistently followed. Regular validation helps maintain and improve the effectiveness of sustainable initiatives.
Future of civil engineering.
Future of Civil Engineering. Civil Engineering in 2025. The civil engineer is knowledgeable wherein they are understanding theories, principles, and or fundamentals of the following: mathematics, physics, biology, chemistry, mechanics, and materials, which are the foundation of engineering. Design of structures, facilities, and systems. Risk uncertainty, such as risk identification, database and knowledge-based types, and probability and statistic. Sustainability, including social, economic, and physical dimensions. Public policy and administration, including elements such as the political process, laws and regulations, and founding mechanics. Business basics, such as legal forms, ownership, profit, income statement, and balance sheets. Decision or engineering, economics, and marketing. Social science. Social science, including economics, history, and sociology. Ethical behavior, including client confidentiality, codes of ethics within and outside of engineering societies, anti-corruption, and the differences between legal requirements and ethical expectations, and the profession's responsibility to hold paramount public health, safety, and welfare.
Okay. So the civil engineer is skillful, wherein they are mindful what they are about to do. So it is important that civil engineer must be skillful. They need hard skills like project management, mathematics, and special knowledge for construction, design, and the infrastructure also that they manage. So here are the objectives for unskillful civil engineer. First is the apply basic engineering tools such as statistical analysis, computer models, design codes and standards, and project monitoring methods. It enables engineers to understand the risk associated with particular activities or situations, allowing them to take more effective steps to mitigate them. Second is learn about assets and master new technologies to enhance individual and organizational effectiveness and efficiency. So, as a civil engineer, we must master it. Mastering it involves hands-on practice, online courses, and staying updated with advancement. Second is the communicate with technical and non-technical audiences convincingly and with passion through listening, speaking, writing, mathematics, and visuals. So effective communication involves active listening, clear expression of ideas, and adapting your message to your audience. So as a civil engineer, it is also important for us to be an effective communicator for them to adapt your message. Next is collaboration or